Alexander the Great and the Roman Empire probably kept his real name secret and obscured by another name because the island had lucrative resources with superior qualities that were very attractive to trading commodities. Apart from several other classical names, Kalimantan was once called Nusa Kencana, literally meaning petik terbalik Golden Island, as stated in the Jayabaya prediction of the Kadiri Kingdom in Java in the 12th century. The Muar cemetery inscriptions found in the upper reaches of the Mahakam River in East Kalimantan, dated to the 4th century also prove that King Mulawarman practiced a lot of gold. The word, Nusa Kencana, is Austronesian language. The translation in Sanskrit is, Suwarnadwipa. Suwarnadwipa is widely known as the island of Sumatra by historians, but there are no inscriptions that clearly refer to it as the name of the island of Sumatra, so another alternative to Suwarnadwipa is Kalimantan as it is more abundant with gold than Sumatra. In addition, Cosmas Indicopleustes mentions that, Serendip, the European tongue for Suwarnadwipa, is the island of Taprobana. The maps below show the development of the map of Borneo from the 16th to 19th centuries, starting with the map of Abraham Ortelius, who was the first modern atlas. Ptolemy's map of Taprobana is also included. We can see from this map that the island of Borneo took a real form on the new map in the mid-19th century. Cartographers of TC maps should have known that Kalimantan was actually Taprobana, seen in the many similarities in geographic names, layouts, locations, features and descriptions of the island and its surroundings, between Ptolemy's maps and their maps. The author identified the names and geographic locations as mentioned by Ptolemy by correlating those on the ancient maps with their current names. Compasses had not been invented during Ptolemy's time, so the maps were of very low quality in terms of scale, orientation and geographic location. Here are the identified names. We can see that many of these names and locations are very similar to those mentioned by Ptolemy. This shows some evidence that Taprobana is actually Kalimantan. Cetem, Promontorium Kotan, Katalan, Satalang, Salaton, Salatan, Tanjung Selatan. Tanjung Selatan is a significant peninsula located in the southeastern part of Kalimantan. Nanigiri, Region Nagara. Nagara, State. Nagara is a familiar place name and is often mentioned on ancient maps, now a village and river name in South Kalimantan Province. Barakus, Fluvius Barito River. Some maps mention the Barito River as the Banjar River, the Banjarmasin River or misplaced as the Sukadana River. Baci, Civitas Paco, Bensi, Biajo, Bandar, Banjar, Banjar. The Banjar are an ethnic group in South Kalimantan who founded the Banjarmasin Kingdom from 1520 to 1860. Banjarmasin is now the capital of South Kalimantan Province. Some ancient maps mention Banjarmasin as Bandarmasin, Bendermasin, Benderma Betain, Bandermakri, Bendarmafsin, Bindermasin, Baniarmafsin, Brandermasin, Banjarmasen, Banjarmasin or Banjarmafen. The Banjar people were colonists, some of them had traveled to many parts of the archipelago and set up pockets of settlements. Megasthenes explains that Taprobana was inhabited by Prahi colonists, possibly the Banjar people. Korcobara, place Tamiampura, Tayampura, Tayapura, Tayaupura, Tayaupuro, Tanjapura, Tanjungpura. Tanjungpura is the name of an ancient kingdom. Based on old maps, the location is not static but mainly on the south and southwest coast of Kalimantan. Orneon, Ekstrema Simanau, Sebangau. Petik terbalik Orneo, petik terbalik Ornis, and petik terbalik Orneon, in Latin means petik terbalik bird. Petik terbalik poultry, or petik terbalik stork. Sebangau is now the name of a river and bay on the southern coast of Kalimantan. Azanus, Fluvius Kayan, Kahayan River. There are several rivers with the name Kayan or Kahayan in west, south and east Kalimantan. Kayan is also the name of several Dayak tribes. The Azanus River is probably the Kahayan River in central Kalimantan. Periplus Maris Erythrae shows that the southern part of the island is slowly inclining toward the west, and almost touches the edge of Azania or Azanus. Luis, Extrema Lao, Lave, Lawe, Lava, Laua, Lawa, Lawi, Lawai. Lawi or Lawai is an ancient city in Ketapang Regency, West Kalimantan Province. This name is mentioned frequently on ancient maps but its exact location is disputed. Tome Pires, a Portuguese explorer, described it as a region in diamonds, a 4-day journey from Tanjungpure, Tanjungpura. Lawi is also the name of a river, a tributary of the Kayan River. Lawi is sometimes associated with Melawi, a district in West Kalimantan Province. Nubarta, Civitas Sambuer, Sambaur, Sambor, Sobar, Sambar, Sambahar, Sambae, Samban, Tanjung Sambar. Tanjung Sambar is a peninsula in Muara Kandawangan National Park. Malaya, Mons Melawi, Melawai, Melawi. Melawi is the name of a district in West Kalimantan Province, also the name of a river, located and having its upstream in the Swaner Muller Mountains, having the highest peaks in Kalimantan. Priapides, Portus Tamaratas, Tamaratos, Tamarates, Tameorato, Iamanatos, Hormata, Carimata, Matan, Ketapan, Karimata, Ketapang. Tamaratos and Hormata are frequently mentioned in ancient maps. This may be what is now the city of Ketapang. Karimata is now the name of an island off the coast of Ketapang and the Strait that separates Kalimantan and Sumatra. Ketapang is the oldest city in West Kalimantan. Sindokanda, Civitas Sandoken, Region Sukadano, Sukaduno, Sukudana, Sukadana, Sokadana, Sucadana, Sukadana. Sukadana is often mentioned in ancient maps, was an ancient kingdom whose products were diamonds and iron. Sukadana is now the capital of North Kayong Regency, West Kalimantan Province. Pojus, place Landa, Salimbau, Sekadau. Landa is often mentioned in ancient maps. It is probably Sekadau which lies on the bank of the Kapuas River. Sekadau is now the name of the district as well as its capital, in West Kalimantan Province. Soana, Fluvius Soani, Region Sane, Senar, Sone, Sone, Sona, Sungi, River, Sambas. The names above are found on 18th and 19th century maps showing the three rivers or places around the Sambas Besar River, literally meaning petik terbalik river. This name is written as Sone Sambas, Sone Luban and Sone Napor, possibly the nearby rivers of Sambas Kecil, Teberau and Subah. Sambas was a kingdom from before the 14th century to 1950 AD, now the capital of Sambas Regency in West Kalimantan Province. Nubarta, Civitas Sambuer, Sambaur, Sambor, Sobar, Sambar, Sambahar, Sambae, Samban, Tanjung Sambar. Tanjung Sambar is a peninsula in Muara Kandawangan National Park. Malaya, Mons Melawi, Melawai, Melawi. Melawi is the name of a district in West Kalimantan Province, also the name of a river, located and having its upstream in the Swaner Muller Mountains, having the highest peaks in Kalimantan. Priapides, Portus Tamaratas, Tamaratos, Tamarates, Tameorato, Iamanatos, Hormata, Carimata, Matan, Ketapan, Karimata, Ketapang. Tamaratos and Hormata are frequently mentioned in ancient maps. This may be what is now the city of Ketapang. Karimata is now the name of an island off the coast of Ketapang and the strait that separates Kalimantan and Sumatra. Ketapang is the oldest city in West Kalimantan. Soana, Fluvius Soani, Region Sane, Senar, Sone, Sone, Sona, Sungi, River, Sambas. The names above are found on 18th and 19th century maps showing the three rivers or places around the Sambas Besar River, literally meaning petik terbalik river. This name is written as Sone Sambas, Sone Luban and Sone Napor, possibly the nearby rivers of Sambas Kecil, Teberau and Subah. Sambas was a kingdom from before the 14th century to 1950 AD, now the capital of Sambas Regency in West Kalimantan Province. Anarif Mundi, Promontorium Sisar, Sorik, Sirik, Tanjung Sirik. Tanjung Sirik is a peninsula located in the Sarikei bahagian, Sarawak. Anurogramum, place, Anurogremi, region Dayak people. Anurogramum is similar to Anurognathus, a genus of small pterosaurs. The original Dayak people are hornbill worshippers, have many myths and legends where hornbills are messengers of the gods with the task of delivering holy messages. Anurogramum is thought to mean petik terbalik hornbill worshipper, namely the Dayak people. Iogana, Civitas Malano, Malona, Melanuge, Melanau. The Melanau are an indigenous ethnic group in Sarawak, the fifth largest group after Iban, Chinese, Malay and Bidayuh, but form a large part of Sarawak's political sphere. Melanau were among the early settlers in Sarawak, initially settling as a scattered community along the tributaries of the Rajang River in central Sarawak. Margana, Civitas Miri. The city of Miri comes from the name of a minority ethnic group called Jati Meirek, or simply, Mirek, or Mirik only. This ethnic group is the earliest settlers in the Bahagian Miri region, Sarawak. Galiba, Extrema Galibi, region, Galibi, Montres Balaba, Balabak, Balabak. Balabak is the southernmost island in Palawan province in the Philippines, only about 50 kilometers north of Sabah, Malaysia, across the Balabak Strait. The Molbok people, who are also known as Molebugan or Molebuganon, are concentrated on the island. The Molbok people are thought to have migrated from North Borneo, who are associated with the Tidung or Tirum people, an indigenous group on the northeast coast of Sabah Bechaus Tei Sare the Same dialect and socio-cultural practices. The names Sabah, Balambangan Island and Teluk Labuk may also come from this name. Talakori, Emporium Cancirao, Kensira, Canciaro, Cancrao, Cancorao, Cancirao, Keningau. It is mentioned frequently on maps of the 17th and 18th centuries. The exact location is unknown, possibly Keningau, a district in the interior, Sabah. It is the oldest and largest city in the interior of Sabah. During the British colonial era, Keningau was one of the most important administrative centers in North Borneo. Moduti, Emporium Muduti, region Marudo, Maludo. Marudu or Orang Murut. Marudu is a city and district located in Bahagian Kudat, Sabah. The Murut are an indigenous ethnic group, who inhabit the interior of North Borneo, literally meaning, hill people. Most of the Murut are in the southwestern interior. Sabah, particularly in the districts of Keningau, Tenom, Nabawan and Pensiangan, and along the Sapulut and Padas rivers. The Murut were the last Sabah ethnic group to leave the head hunting culture. Pavis, Fluvius Sisar, Sisor Kinabatangan River. Kinabatangan River T. Anubingara, Civitas Orang Lun Bawang. The Lun Bawang, formerly known as the Orang Murut Selatan, are an ethnic group found in central North Borneo. They come from the highlands of North Borneo, Krayan, Malinau and Long Bawan, Brunei Temburong, southwestern Sabah inland, and northern Sarawak bahagian Limbang. Maagramum, Metropolis Ganges, Fluvius Bam Camanikan, Pomanakam, Markaman, Muar Cemetery and Mahakam River. Muar Cemetery, located in Kutai Kartanegara Regency, East Kalimantan Province, is known for the existence of stone inscriptions dated around the 4th century AD, written on 7 stone pillars in Palawa and Sanskrit characters, considered to be the oldest inscriptions in Indonesia. A Brahmin kingdom is inscribed on the inscription, which is located in Muar Cemetery, on the banks of the Mahakam River. There is no inscription that clearly mentions the name of this kingdom, but it is known as Kutai Martadipura by historians. The Mahakam River on which Muar Cemetery lies on the banks is most likely also named the Ganges River. Spatana, Portus Bontang. Bontang is a port city in East Kutai Regency, East Kalimantan Province, which is located on the east coast of Kalimantan. Prokuri, Civitas Pasir, Pafsir, Pasier, Paseir, Pasir, Dayak Pasir. The Dayak Pasir are an indigenous ethnic group located in southeast Kalimantan. The Pasir Dayak may have an alliance with the Lawangan Dayak people, the Dayak Ot Danum family. They formed a kingdom namely Sadungaras later called the Sultanate of Sen, from the 16th century to the early 20th century. Pasir is now the name of a district in East Kalimantan Province. Cumara, Island Semaras, Pulau Laut. Semaras is the name of a place located on the west coast of Pulau Laut, South Kalimantan Province. Alaba, Island Alambai, Kalamba, Kalambua, Kalaubua, Kalabo. Kalambau Islands. Kalambau is an archipelago located off the southern coast of Kalimantan in the Java Sea. Administratively, Tese Islands are within the province of South Kalimantan. Arana, Islands Arens, Arentes, Arantel, Karamian, Karamian Islands. Karamian is an atoll archipelago located off the southern coast of Kalimantan in the Java Sea. Administratively, Tese Islands are within the province of East Java. Alaba, Island Alambai, Kalamba, Kalambua, Kalaubua, Kalabo. Kalambau Islands. Kalambau is an archipelago located off the southern coast of Kalimantan in the Java Sea. Administratively, Tese Islands are within the province of South Kalimantan. Arana, Islands Arens, Arentes, Arantel, Karamian, Karamian Islands. Karamian is an atoll archipelago located off the southern coast of Kalimantan in the Java Sea. Administratively, Tese Islands are within the province of East Java. Balaca, Island Balahaya, Balacuan, Blacana, Ciombra, Solambo, Solonbo, Solombo, Somanbo, Masalembo Islands. Masalembo is an archipelago located off the southern coast of Kalimantan in the Java Sea. Administratively, Tese Islands are within the province of East Java. Bava, Island Lubok, Lubek, 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 Baboan, Bawean. Bawean Island. Bawean is an island located off the southern coast of Kalimantan and north of Java, in the Java Sea. Administratively, this island is within the province of East Java. Kalandra II, Island Kuirimjaba, Kuirimajaba, Cariman Iava, Carimun Iava, Carimau Iava, Carimun Iava, Carimun Java, Carmon Java, Karimun Jawa, Karimun Jawa Islands. Karimun Jawa is an archipelago located off the north coast of Java, in the Java Sea. Administratively, Tese Islands are within the province of Central Java. Erene, Island Clemencia, Klein Enknisen, Enknisen. Enknisen Coral Reef. Enknisen Coral Reef is a group of coral reef located in the Java Sea off the coast of Tanjung Sambar near Mangkup Island. Charkes, Island Banca, Banka, Bangka, Bangka. Pelicus, Islands Bibilitam, Biletun, Bilitan, Belitung. Belitung. The Bangka Belitung Islands are a province of the coast of Sumatra. The province consists of two main islands, Bangka and Belitung, and several smaller ones. The Bangka Strait separates Sumatra and Bangka, and the Gaspar Strait separates Bangka and Belitung Islands. The South China Sea is on the north, the Java Sea on the south, and is separated from Kalimantan in the east by the Karimata Strait. Amin, Islands Anamba, Anambas, Natuna, Naima, Natuma. Anambas and Natuna Islands. The Anambas and Natuna Islands are located in the South China Sea, off the northwest coast of Borneo. Administratively, Tese Islands are the territory of a district in the Riau Islands province. Monache, Island Timau, Timaon, Timor, Timon, Timon, Timoan, Tioman Island. Tioman Island is an island in Pahang, located off the eastern coast of the state. Kori, Island Pulo Ciri, Pulo Cecir, Pulo Cili, Pulo Siri, Pulo Seir. Chulaore Orlisan Island. Chulaore Orlisan is an island off the coast of Vietnam in the South China Sea. Sufuara, Islands Paragoa, Paragua, Paragoya, Paragoy, Paragou, Parago, Palohan, Palawan, Palawan Island. Palawan Island is the largest island in Palawan Province, Philippines. The north coast of the island is in the South China Sea, while the south coast forms part of the northern boundary of the Sulu Sea. Nagadiba, Island Bakueiraon, Bikeram, Bokerano, Bekueraon, Sibutu, Sibutu Island. Sibutu is an island in the Tawi-Tawi Province, Philippines. This island is located on the east coast of Sabah, Malaysia. Zibala, Island Celebra, Celebus, Celebes, Celebes, Sulawesi Island. Sulawesi Island is an island located east of Kalimantan Island. This island is the closest large island which can be seen from the east coast of Kalimantan. Some maps mention Celebes as a place name on the west coast of Sulawesi, but the present name of this place cannot be identified. Zaba, Island Paternosters, Capelat, Sebelasak, Sabalana Islands. The Sabalana Islands are an atoll in the Flores Sea, located north of the Nusa Tenggara Islands, closer to Sumbawa than Sulawesi. Zibala, Island Celebra, Celebus, Celebes, Celebes, Sulawesi Island. Sulawesi Island is an island located east of Kalimantan Island. This island is the closest large island which can be seen from the east coast of Kalimantan. Some maps mention Celebes as a place name on the west coast of Sulawesi, but the present name of this place cannot be identified. Zaba, Island Paternosters, Capelat, Sebelasak, Sabalana Islands. The Sabalana Islands are an atoll in the Flores Sea, located north of the Nusa Tenggara Islands, closer to Sumbawa than Sulawesi. Administratively, this atoll island is in the province of South Sulawesi. Atlantis and Taprobana. Plato told the story of Atlantis in about 360 BC. Approximately 30 years later, Alexander the Great attacked India and Nearchus and Onesicritus who accompanied him during the campaign revealed the name Taprobana for the first time. 30 years later, Seleucus Nicator Megasthenes as ambassador to Sandrakotus Chandragupta Maurya in 302 BC where he also revealed the name Taprobana. The story of Atlantis has become an object of fascination among Western philosophers and historians. Of course, Alexander the Great did not escape his attention to such a special place. Plato's description of Atlantis is very clear and detailed, but the search for Atlantis around the Mediterranean Sea yielded no result. Alexander is a student of Aristotle who is also a student of Plato. It can be guessed that Alexander thought that Atlantis was not in that area but in the Far East, in the Indian Ocean. During the invasion of India, Atlantis is thought to have been discovered, but this discovery was kept secret and is obscured by another name, Taprobana by Nearchus and Onesicritus, including its location. His attempts to conquer India were later thwarted by Chandragupta but an alliance was formed. After his death, Seleucus continued the alliance and the secrecy of Atlantis and Taprobana was still maintained. Megasthenes describes Taprobana in a little more detail. During the reign of Emperor Claudius, 4 people from the island of Taprobana were sent as envoys to Rome. On again, Claudius and the previous emperors did not lose their attention. Atlantis. Because it was described clearly and in detail by Plato, he could think that Taprobana was part of Atlantis. The following emperors must have known that Taprobana was part of Atlantis but they continued to keep it secret. Taprobana has been reported by several authors at that time. During the reign of Antoninus Pius, 138–161 AD, Taprobana was mapped in detail by Ptolemy. Again, the Roman Empire probably kept its location secret and obscure. The last part of Critias, a dialogue by Plato, which allegedly mentions more detailed information about Atlantis has been lost. Ptolemy's original map has also been lost, an indication that they wanted to hide it. By the 9th century, the name Taprobana had disappeared. After the fall of Rome, European geography entered a darker age deeper than any other discipline, and the facts about Taprobana and Atlantis have been buried. Many ancient books and scientific works, especially those housed in the library at Alexandria, have been lost for over 1,000 years. In the late 1400s, Plato and Ptolemy's works were rediscovered, Atlantis and Taprobana became popular again. Western colonialism in South and Southeast Asia involving England, France, Portugal and the Netherlands was thought to have been inspired by the temptation of Taprobana and Atlantis. This was triggered in the early 15th century with the search for trade routes to the Far East leading directly to the age of discovery, and the start of the age of modern warfare. By the early 16th century, the age of sailing had expanded its influence to Western Europe and developed into the space trade era under colonialism. Mapmakers in this era should have known that Taprobana is Kalimantan, because there are many similarities in the layout, location, features, names and geographic descriptions of the two islands and their surroundings, between Ptolemy's maps and their maps. Based on the original Taprobana is not Sri Lankan or Sumatra, but Kalimantan also has various sources. That was the previous advanced Indonesian archipelago which had abundant wealth and wealth, defend this land from Anyone who wanted to plunder and rob. By Santosaba Done.